Imagine this. Right now, as you're sitting here listening to me, an invisible war is raging inside your body. Trillions of bacteria and viruses and parasites are trying to break in, but there's a silent army standing guard, always ready to fight back. This is the immune system, and today I want to introduce you to one of its most brilliant weapons, the complement system. Hi everyone, my name is Pilavich Tilayanan. I'm a grade 10 student at Basis International School, Bangkok, and I'm excited to share something that fascinates me about how our bodies defend themselves. Most of us understand that the immune system are composed of white blood cells. However, what makes the complement system so unique is that it's a team of 30 to 40 special proteins floating in blood and tissue that acts like tiny tools, each with its own shape, job, and way of interacting and working with the other proteins. What really blows my mind is how these proteins perfectly complement each other, hence their name. They all fit together and help one another, creating powerful chain reactions. The complement system is also one of the more difficult subjects to grasp in biology, but here's a better metaphor to think about it. Picture them as molecular Lego bricks. I'm not kidding. When one protein clicks onto a pathogen, it can change shape, and in this change shape, it can activate two more. Those two will activate 4, 4 activate 8, 8 activate 16, and before you know it, you will have an explosion of activity of thousands of reactions per second, spreading like wildfire. This cascade, as it's called, can build structures made out of several proteins. For example, let's say these are some complement proteins. They can form together to build what's called a membrane attack complex. These structures can drill straight into a bacterium's membrane and it punch holes until it literally explodes and bleeds to death. Some proteins can also work solo and get as much work done compared to team efforts. For example, let's say this is a C3b protein, and let's say that this single molecule can stick onto a bacterium. Right now, it acts as a massive, big red flag for other immune cells, such as this macrophage here, to be able to identify it much easier and kill it much easier. Together, these proteins tag invaders, slow them down, kill them, and call for help, all in this perfect coordination. The full story of the complement system is enormously complex, way more than what I can cover in a few minutes. But from this, you can understand that the complement system is an important foundation in immunology, and learning about it can help scientists research how to better combat infections and create better medicine for society and the people who live in it. Thank you.